PPE Ford Bronco Performance Intercooler Kit Installation Guide. Step 1. Unbolt and remove the front skid plate. Step 2. Unhook the retaining clip securing the cold side charge pipe to the intercooler, then slide the charge pipe off the intercooler. Repeat on the hot side charge pipe. Step 3. Hold the factory intercooler in place while unbolting and removing the lower intercooler brackets, then remove the factory cooler. Step 4. Transfer the rubber bushings from the factory intercooler onto the PPE intercooler. Step 5. Raise the PPE intercooler into position, making sure the upper bushings are seated into the top bracket. While holding the PPE intercooler in place, reinstall the lower brackets. Step 6. Reconnect the hot and cold side charge pipes, making sure the retaining clips are fully seated. Step 7. Reinstall the front skid plate. Installation complete.